Hello YouTube. I have some bad news in the house here. So we had a catastrophic failure of our oven. As you can see, nearly half, over half of the bottom baking element is like gone. So here's the rest of it. I was trying to take the thing out and it just simply broke up. So this piece, which is fairly intact, is supposed to be in there, and the rest of it is the pieces that fell apart when I took it out. All of these little pieces here were in the bottom of the oven, melted. It's the wire that is inside the heating element is gone. It melted and was on the bottom of the oven. So no baking for us. So this is a really old oven. This thing was probably 1965 vintage. It's the oven that was in the house when we bought the house, and it's a matching set with the cooktop, which still works fine, and the hood, which is where all the knobs are for the cooking element. So now we have a choice. We can either replace just the oven or just the part that I ordered today, which is the remains of this. And so I ordered an oven, lower baking element, to be replaced. Wife says that's only temporary, we're getting a new oven. So we're probably not going to find an oven this size. This is a pretty small oven. As you can see, there's not much room for a big turkey in there. Probably a turkey, but it would take a long time to cook it. So I've cleaned up the oven as much as I can, and I put aluminum foil covering up those charred remains of the element, and I covered it with aluminum foil because there's no way I can get that out without damaging the oven. So, a new oven for us, I guess. Bye, YouTube.